A very good morning from the basement workshop. We have finished the lid. This one is specially optimized by the 3D Smith to put some coins in, and we'll use it as a coin box for my son. And yeah, number one was be printing up another batch. What do we have here? Let's see. For today, nose cone and nose cone tip are done. We'll have a shaft and a shaft shroud for today, I think. Or not too much to print. So we'll have a go on that. We'll try to get that from the print bed. Let's see. Easy peasy. Peels off very nicely. Just clean out. Yeah, do this by one hand. Oh, good. Look at it. Yeah, well, very smooth surface due to ironing. I'm using the standard ironing settings in Cura 4.7 and very nice surface here too. So I'll put it on the new box and do some photos with the next post. Everybody have a great day, and yeah, happy printing.